Hey guys, welcome back to the Dewan Moore Show. I'm your host, Dewan Moore. We're gonna be doing some music video reviews, and on the top of the list for right now is Machine Gun Kelly's "Rap Devil," which dropped just a couple of days ago, and it's in an Eminem diss. Now I'm a huge Eminem fanboy, so I came to see what this is all about. So I have mixed emotions because on top of being an Eminem fanboy, I got mad love for MGK because that's a hometown hero, being from the 216. So without that being said, I'm giving the benefit of the doubt and hit play. I'm going to review his video, let you guys know what I think, and then move on to M's. Sorry, trash. Shit's trash. He literally told him how he's the greatest rapper ever. Oh! How you gonna try and use his rhyme scheme? Think this kid wants his career murked. That chorus is corny as fuck. Auto tune? No. You gotta be afraid to get hit by a truck. That shit's trash. I guess if you're a fan of MGK like through and through, but I'm old school, so I gotta ride with yeah, that was trash. Lucky You feature Enjoy. Oh, is this the M track? So I guess we're gonna keep right on rolling. Nah, I'm gonna stop right there, make sure I got the right track. So I'm gonna pause right there. Wow, MGK had a lot to say about what do you guys have to say in the comments section below? Did MGK let him have it? Do you think that MGK can fuck with Eminem's flow style? Just let me know what you think. Get back at me. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit a subscribe. I'll see you guys next time on the Dewan Moore Show. Peace.